all around the moon. By this time, the temperature had become so cold that they were forced to use up some more of their gas for heating. They could manage without the light, but a little heat was absolutely necessary to prevent them from freezing to death. Also, all observations through the windows had become extremely difficult because the moisture in the air inside the ship had condensed thickly on the glass. Suddenly, Barbicane said,
What is the matter with the ship? It seems to be shifting.
it was indeed shifting. Although they were not able to measure or observe the ship's path around the moon, they could clearly see that now the ship's base was facing the disk of the moon. Earlier it was the ship's side that was towards the disk of the moon. What was the cause?
Gravity, of course.
Said Barbicane.
The heavier portion of the ship is shifting towards the moon's center, and this can only mean one thing. We are gradually falling on her surface. Gentlemen, prepare to land on the moon.
But were they really falling? Were they at last about to reach the goal that they had been wishing and waiting for? No, Nicholl saw a bright spark of light far away at one point on the dark disk of the moon. Barbicane kept watching it and realized that they were not going closer to the moon, but were moving at the same distance. But what was that flickering spark of light? It was not a star somewhere far away in the universe. Its glare was reddish, like that of a glowing furnace on a dark night. Then they noticed something else. The size of the reddish spark kept on increasing in size and brightness. This meant that they were slowly moving closer to it. They were not falling straight down on the moon's surface.
It's a volcano,
Cried the captain in great excitement.
a volcano in full blast.